In this video, I'll show you how to set up Peacock on a second device. Step 1 is to download the Peacock app. On the second device, go to the App Store, Google Play or the Apple Store, and then search for Peacock and actually go ahead and download the app. Then step 2 is to log into your account. Open the Peacock app on your second device, sign in with your Peacock account credentials, and then you can go ahead, 2-step free, start streaming. Once you're logged in, you can start streaming content on the second device. Your progress syncs between devices, allowing you to pick up where you left off. Now this is very nice, this is very neat, because it allows you to just alternate between devices. Now that's it. Thanks for watching. Of course, I have to say bing, bang, bong. And if you have any more questions, please leave them in the comments down below. Bye. Thank you.